All right, so today it's going to be pizza for lunch. This is actually leftover dough from a calzone video, and I had it frozen. And then last night, I redid it in the mixer with some fresh flour and some yeast, and it more than doubled in size. So I probably should have cut it in thirds, not halves. I think these are going to be too big for my stone, but we're going to find out here in about 2 seconds. All right, so I just tried number one. Not too much luck. So now let me try it again. And I got to cut these in half and make them smaller pies because they're not going to fit on that stone that I got. This is raw sauce. I don't use cooked sauce on pies because I don't like it, because it's cooked in a 550-degree oven. That's as high as my oven will go here. So it's getting cooked while it's on the pie. And when you use cooked sauce, then it's double cooked and it just tastes, I don't know, I like it bright. So some sauce, a little oregano, some garlic powder, some mushrooms, mozzarella, Parmesan, and olive oil. And now in'll go the second one. All right, let's give this one a try. A little bit of salt. And a little crushed red pepper. This one could have stayed in for another minute, but let's see. Hot. Oh, it's hot. It's good. All right, number 3 is coming out, and it looks like the best one so far. Look at that pie. That's a beauty. Whoa. Let me hold that. There we go. Look at that. That's a legit pie. Well, so is that one. There's nothing wrong with that pie. Homemade pies are the way to go.